Fourth order.
Yep.
Okay.
I got 618 C7s.
Okay.
Wired to half ohm. Got 3 4Ks on it. 56 mids and highs.
Wow. Did you build all this?
Amp hour. Yep.
Nice work, man. And the roof hardly moved at all.
No
brace or anything. Nice.
This is 2 1/4 inches thick, and then fiberglass, Bondo, texture.
Okay. Did you ever meter it?
Yeah. 159.7.
Nice.
40 hertz.
Almost a 60.
Yeah.
Oh,
almost.
so close.
I didn't build it to be loud. I built it to be productive. So
Got it. Yes,
that
sir.
was the one thing. I mean, my bandwidth is 19 to like 51.
Oh.
It'll play all the way down to 19 pretty fierce. So.
Where are you peaking at?
19 and 40.
19 and 40?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything after 19, like 18, it'll play okay,
Yeah.
but it doesn't like it. They
Yes,
get
sir.
pretty stinky.
Okay. Hey, do you know the specs on the enclosure, like your sealed section and your coated
My
section?
sealed section is 2.75 per sub,
Okay.
and then it's a 2.57 to 1 ratio.
Got it. Perfect. Okay, that helps a lot of people. Thank you very much for that information.
No problem.
I really appreciate the demo. Your name, man?
Nice to meet you. Chet Mount Pleasant.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate the
Nice to
demo,
meet you,
man.
too.
Yes,
Thank
sir. I'll go check out the amp. That was great. Nice. So you have kind of like an AC?
Oh yeah. When it gets hot, I can kick everything on.
That's cool.
Everything was pretty much built around the AC and battery cover.
How much battery power?
240 amp hour.
240? Oh, you actually could take it. Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Nice. It's crazy how much batteries excelled from it used to be.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That much space with over 200 amp hours. Nice. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
Mike. Yeah, why not? Can I come in, sir? Oh man, your floor's all solid.
Yeah. Plywood, fiberglass, Bondo, texture.
Nice work.
Thank you.
Does it do better with the door shut, right?
Door shut,
Okay.
you know, window up.
Okay.
I'll play a song for Lowe's for you.
All right, cool. Awesome. Awesome.
Nice to meet you guys, by the way.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Yes, sir.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, you should. I cannot.
Awesome job.
Sounds really good.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah. Whoa. Dude, that's really musical too.
Yeah.
It's like flat response too. I really appreciate that, man. How you doing? Great.
Used to spend used to spend
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Great. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.